Are we living in fast forward if all our time is limited? You take for granted, I'm just grateful to be given it. Live fast, die young with your sin a kid. Till this life is done, I'll just be happy to be living it. I mean, I take it slow so we can soak it in, cause when I reach that door I know we'll be opening. Then we going in, confidence my only friend. If you think I'm rushing, then you really just don't know me then. Speaking of rushing, now I wanna slow it down. I live up in the moment, so emboldened by the sound of people talking nothing. I'm walking in past you runners, they chilling, looking for something I can use to chill discussion. Talking about this and that, gossip never listening. My life is a melody, I block out all the dissonance. Cause money's certain to equal time, so when life is going fast, a vertical equal sign. Pause.
If I could slow down time, this life won't pass me by. If I could click rewind, I know I'd be